Hello and welcome back. My name is Amulya and you are watching TubeMint, and this is fourth video in the series of HTML5 semantic element tutorial. And in this video I'm going to talk about definition list. So we already have covered ordered list and unordered list, and this is going to be definition list that we generally don't use, but this is really good for SEO benefits, and this looks a little bit professional, and this gives you its own touch to the pages, the web pages. So what we have here in the definition list, first we have the term XYZ, whatever it is, and then we have term definition. So this is what you see here. Just these are the terms on the top, and these are definition of the terms, each term. Okay. Not that, basically what you can do, not just that, you can combine all three lists and give it your professional touch. So basically this, what you see here, is a combination of everything. So this is definition list term, and then we have unordered list, and here we have ordered list. So let's go ahead and have a look how you can create your definition list. So all I've done is created dl.html, definition list HTML. So, and here you see got few definition list in here. So we start definition list with DL. So simply it has closing, opening and closing tag result. It's not self-closing. Simply go ahead and create an opening and closing DL, definition list tag, and under that we will have DT. So DT stands for definition term, and in the term we can have like XYZ, whatever term. So term number just 1, and then we will have definition list definition, so DD. So that doesn't make sense to me, DD. It should be like term definition TD, but it's DD. Perfectly fine. So we will write our definition term of the term. So definition of the term 1, and I can simply go ahead and copy it and make few more, and later on I can change it. Let me quickly make it 2, and then I have 2 more. So then we will have the third, which is 3, and the 4th. So basically these are the terms. If I go ahead, and I don't need to refresh it because I'm using the live server in Visual Studio Code that keeps refreshing every time I make change in any page. Okay, so this is what we have created. You can see this doesn't look very good, so we haven't styled it. You will have to style your terms and definition list. Sorry, definition of the terms. And so we can simply do it. I'll go ahead and target the I have created this style element here in the head section, and I can target DT, that's the term, and then I can give it font weight, and let's give it bold. See, that's your creativity. You can do the way you want it to be. So this is basically a definition list, and this is how you can combine all the lists together to give it your professional touch. So under you can see this is definition term, and under this you can give a DD, that's the definition of the term, and then you can write unordered or order lists. Okay, DT again. So you can combine all of these lists and create a professional looking page, and that will make more sense to search engine spiders as well. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. Bye for now.